Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to activate your Canara Bank debit card. To activate your Canara Bank debit card, you can typically follow a few different methods. The first method I'm gonna walk you through is by internet banking. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in canarabank.com and press enter to end up in the official website. From the main homepage, click on the net banking login option on the right hand side of the screen. Now, choose your online banking type. Now, click on the net banking login button and in the net banking login area, you will need to provide your user ID and password associated with your online banking account. Start off by typing in a correct user ID and then your password on the next field. If you don't remember your password during the process, click on the Create/Reset Login Password option. After typing in your credential, enter the image captcha or the audio captcha that has been displayed on the screen or sent to you via or spelled out. Select the language option you'd like to choose for your online banking account from the drop-down and finally, click on Login. Once you're logged into your account, look for the card activation option and follow through the instructions. You will need to provide your debit card number, the expiration date for the card, and the CVV code along the way. Another method you can activate your debit card is by calling on the contact number available at the top right-hand corner from the main homepage of Canara Bank. Simply contact the number and then follow the automated prompts via a phone call. You can also go visit any Canara Bank's ATM and insert your debit card and select the banking option, enter your ATM PIN and then choose card activation or similar option to activate your debit card. So those were some of the methods you can follow in order to activate your Canara Bank's debit card within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Goodbye till then.